You gonna buy the same old game, boy?
ATARI Lynx, the portable video arcade. With the biggest screen for...
Sup, dudes? Y'all haven't improved my game with the ladies, so I'm treating you in for a Nintendog. He barks when all the girls are around with their Nintendogs, and bam!
If you were colorblind and had an IQ less than 12, then you wouldn't care which portable you had. Of course, you wouldn't care.
With 16-bit power, linkable to the Sega Dreamcast. Revolving joystick.
Final Fantasy.
How much do you think this advanced operating environment is worth? Wait just 1 minute before you answer. Watch as Windows integrated...
ATARI shatters that myth. Fact is, the 1040 ST has 50% more memory, and it sells for a lot less. It's a myth that the AMIGA has the...
Hello. Mike, I hear you got one of the new Commodore Amigas.
It's printing the club newsletter right now.
So you have time to talk.
MS-DOS 5 upgrade training. This is the first time MS-DOS has been available as an upgrade. It's...
When you decide to step up to this kind of power, this kind of challenge, this kind of...
I'd like an Atari 2600 system, please, and everything that goes with
Everything? You sure you want everything?
I want everything.
Now you're getting your low price, up to $30 a rebate office, and a free pack.
Is that
the most earth-shattering dig-dug?
Super system.
The most realistic joust?
Super system.
Pole position at its hair-raising best?
Super system.
What do you want? What do you think? What do you want? I want the latest games anywhere.
Some of you believe your system is the most advanced in the universe. Let's review the numbers. Sega Genesis is 16 bits. 3DO is 32 bits. The Atari Jaguar...
If you own ColecoVision, you already own a powerful state-of-the-art computer that gives you the arcade experience with the newest arcade games like Donkey Kong Jr., Looping, Pepper...
In television. The intelligent home video system. In television turns your TV set into a family entertainment center.
Introducing TurboGrafx 16, the next generation video game system. It's 4 times faster, so the games are more exciting.
No matter how they toss the dice, it had to be the only one for me is you.
Will you be the one to witness the birth of the incredible Nintendo Entertainment System? The one to play with Rob, the extraordinary video robot, batteries not included.
Right there. Okay, okay, nice.
Oh! Play together anytime, anywhere. Nintendo.
We would like to play.
With the all-new Wii U, This is how you will play next.
Since the beginning of time, mankind has striven to double and redouble his powers.
A mysterious machine has appeared in homes across America.
Hey! You still don't have a Sega CD? Huh? What are you waiting for? Nintendo to make one? You have seen the games, right? Wrong answer, man.
This is the day you have trained for. The day you have studied for. Utilize your superior skills. Your superior.
What's the hottest 16-bit video game system with true arcade games, great graphics, real challenge, stereo sound, and the hottest library too with games like...
People, this is not a test. We are at DEFCON 5. Alpha Sector. Check. Tango Sector. Check. Delta Sector.
Only Sega Saturn has 332.
More on that top story at 11. And in local news, while cleaning up an abandoned lot on the corner of 3rd and Washington, a group of high school students stumbled upon a major